Yellow List 10 Spelling Assessment. Number 1. Spell the word brick. My house is made out of brick. Brick. Number 2. Spell the word stick. The dog is playing with a stick. Stick. Number 3. Stuck. I am stuck on this math problem. Stuck. Number 4. Click. I hate to listen to my pen click. Click. Number 5. Spell the word block. The child likes to play with a block. Block. Number 6. Spell the word crack. There is a crack in my window. Crack.